Hey, I'm Jay, and today we're doing an oil change on an Audi B9 S4 without even taking it off the ground. We're going to be using our Liqui Moly oil service kit, which comes with our Top Tech 6200 OW20, a Hengst filter, a new drain plug and drain plug seal, and you'll need very few tools for this job. You'll need a ratchet with a 32mm socket for your oil filter housing. This vehicle has our ECS oil filter housing on it, so we're using a 19. And you'll also need an T45 so that you can get your drain plug off if you're doing it the traditional way. However, we are using our Schwaben fluid extractor, which is how we're doing it without getting it off the ground, and we don't even need to mess with the drain plug. Everything will be linked down in the description, so let's get started. So generally your first step would be to jack this up, and you're probably doing that unless you have our oil extractor. We're just going to jump right in by popping the hood. We're going to remove our engine cover, set it aside, and everything we need to access is right here. Generally, you're not going to have this ECS dipstick. This car is equipped with an electronic sensor, so you're just going to pull out that plug they have there. You'll remove your filter housing and you'll fill it with oil. Let's get started. All right, to start, we're going to just pull our dipstick, crack open our inlet. All right, now this extractor is super simple to use. All we're going to do is insert it into where our dipstick was until it bottoms out. And pump. You'll know it's just about empty when you start getting your air bubbles through it. All right, we've got the majority of the oil out of the reservoir. Now we're just going to crack the seal on our filter housing. Okay. All right, all of our oil has been extracted. We can put this aside. Now we will pull our filter. Yummy. Now we will put together our new filter. Start by removing the old O-ring. Little hook helps greatly. There's our beautiful white Hengst oil filter, which comes with a new ring. So I'm just gonna get some of the old oil from in here. You can also use some of your new oil just to lubricate that a bit and get it sealed. All right. And these hooks really help to get it seated where you need. Perfect. Let's get it back in the car. Get that threaded down. All right, now we'll just tighten this down to 25 Newton meters. 25 Newton meters. All right, now that's all that's left to do is to fill her up, and we're gonna use our fancy schmancy Schwaben funnel, which screws right into place so you don't have to worry about a mess. All right, and this vehicle takes 7.25 liters of oil. Because you use 7.25 liters and each of these is a liter, you've got your little measuring marks here on the side. We've got 10 marks, so we're gonna go from here right to about here to get a quarter of a liter. We got 7.25 liters in. Since we do have a dipstick, we'll just verify with that. Looks full. All right, so now we're gonna reset our oil life on the vehicle. To do that, you're gonna push up on your little knob. You can spell it out with this option, or what's really cool, you can use your finger and spell properly. Reset oil change interval. Reset oil change interval. Yes. Now it's reset. That was obviously a really simple job, and our fluid extractor kept it really clean. Our products will all be linked down in the description. If you want to see another specific DIY video, let us know in the comments. And if you want to see other DIYs, you can check out this playlist here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check back for more enthusiast content.